Now, after Modi government decided to dash a strongly worded letter to Facebook, and now TMC MP Derek O'Brien has written to Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg, raising serious concerns about Facebook's alleged role during the 2014 and 2019 general elections in India. In this letter, the Trinamool Congress Member of Parliament has raised the issue of alleged bias of social media giant Facebook toward the Bharatiya Janata Party. Earlier, Union IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad also had written to the Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg saying senior Facebook employees are on record abusing Prime Minister Modi and senior cabinet ministers. The minister also asserted that in the run-up to 2019 general elections, there was a concerted effort by Facebook India management to delete pages of people who are supportive of the right-of-centre ideology. Congress also alleging now a nexus between BJP and Facebook. Representatives of Facebook will today appear before Standing Committee meeting on IT, which has already started.
भारत सरकार और उनके मंत्री इस बात को मानते ही नहीं थे कि इसमें फेक आईडी है। अगर उन्होंने सच्चाई स्वीकार की है तो निश्चित रूप से फेसबुक को मानना चाहिए। जिस तरह से अभद्रता, गाली-गलौज, गंदे पोस्ट, धार्मिक भावनाओं को भड़काने वाले पोस्ट आज अगर हम देखें तो हमारे देश में जहर घोलने का काम कर रहे हैं।
BJP had accused in 2019 that almost many pages are there which are being targeted, which are supportive of BJP ideology, are being targeted by the platform. So these issues have not yet been addressed by the company.
मैं समझता हूं कि उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे अपने पक्ष में पूरा प्रचार करा रहे हैं। व्हाट्सएप और फेसबुक को भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तरफ से जो एडवर्टीजमेंट का पैसा मिल रहा है तो कहीं कितना ज़्यादा है। और उल्टा आरोप लगाने के मैं समझता हूं कि हमारे नेता राहुल गांधी जी ने स्पष्ट कहा कि इसकी जांच होनी चाहिए। तो इसमें क्यों नहीं जेपीसी की जो जांच के द्वारा जांच उसको सरकार स्वीकार करे और उसकी घोषणा करे।
Congress party has been using these social media forum along with the left units to defame the Bharatiya Janata Party government at the center, at the international level. Therefore, what Rahul Gandhi says with regard to the Facebook or so, it is only a mere baseless allegation against the Bharatiya Janata Party. On the other hand, BJP maintains that these social media organizations are anti-BJP and pro-left, and they are being controlled by the leftists and the Congress-minded people in our country.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.